Hi guys, today even though it is raining, we will do a diagnosis on this. It is a problem with the anti-lock braking system. Let's see what we have. Oh man, look at the battery pulse. A lot of, I don't know what is this called. Maybe it's lead sulfate. Pretty dirty. You have to clean it up. Shut. Improving. Much better. But the battery fluid. Why are not the fluid level the same? Got inside the car. Key on. Now I've started the engine, but the ABS light does not go off. This ABS light should go off. The red light is nothing but the parking brake is being engaged. For timing, I'll disengage the parking brake. Engine has started, but the ABS light does not stay off. It stays on and on. So definitely we have a problem with braking system. So let's have a look. First, I'll hook up the scan tool and leave it right here. ABS. Let's go inside and see. Right, let us see. Read fault codes. Here we have C1057 power supply voltage. That's history. Next is C1025 left front wheel speed sensor circuit voltage. This is marked current. So that means this issue is present right now. The last one is left front wheel speed sensor or encoder signal performance. This is history. So history code. This is current code. So we have to focus specifically on this code C1025. We have to chase this code down there. That is relating to the left front wheel speed sensor. So the wheel right there. Now we know that we have problem with the speed sensing equipment. Let us read live data stream. See, this is for RF is nothing but right front wheel speed sensor. Right front wheel speed, that is the driver's side. We have a problem with the left wheel speed. I'm going to compare these two. Alright, this is for right wheel speed. This is for left front wheel speed. I want you to focus on these two data bits. The top one is for right front wheel speed. We know it is good. The bottom one is for left front wheel speed. We know that we have a problem with this circuit. So once I drive the car, the data bits will give whatever speed the car is on. So let us see. I'm driving now. See the top one, right front wheel speed reads 8, 7, 8, something like that, depending on whatever speed I am on. But for the left front wheel speed, there's nothing at all. It reached 0, but the car is moving now. So we know that we do not have any vehicle speed information coming from the left front wheel. This is the graph showing a good wheel speed indication. But for left front wheel, the graph is completely dead. So there's no activity going on. Oh me. I do the front left wheel off and I check the wiring harness for this wheel speed sensor and there is no problem. That is the sensor itself. I don't think it's problem with the sensor itself. The wiring feels tough. No breaks, no cracks. I think we should take the mud cover out because the wiring goes underneath it. Yeah, another one right there at the top. Come on. Yes. Alright, we are inside. That's the wiring harness. So we have a broken wire here. If we get closer, oh look, definitely this is our issue. We don't have to confirm it, so I'll have to rejoin this broken wire and hopefully it will fix our problem. Alright, I have connected a piece of wire here to the broken wire. Apply solder. I cannot do this properly at the same time filming it because I do not have 3 or 4 hands. Yeah, so applying solder is the most important part in joining broken cables. I think, hey, come on man. Okay, I have soldered both the joint and wrap it with heat shrink. Now I'll hit this and hopefully it will cover up. Need a lighter now. Dum chep mo le phadi. Dum chep num vai mo lighter ngai chai. I need a lighter. If I was a smoker, it would have been very handy. Dum kana chep le kitchen le ta ting nun ko. Mi lighter ko num hello ha. Oh. Light khao khat ka hal gut le lighter ka po lo chưa. Well, finally got one. I think I have to start smoking. Wow, so tight, so tight. Hopefully that will solve our problem. Sometimes it is as easy as this simple broken wire externally, but some wiring problems are very hard to find, but we are lucky today. With everything connected better except the wheel, now we'll perform test by hand. So what we wanna do is, oh hell no. Alright, we'll spin this wheel hub and see if we get any speed data. Now let us communicate with the anti-lock braking system again. Read live data. Where is the left front wheel? Oh, this is the left front wheel speed. Right now we have 0 km/h. Nagun. Collect 1, 2, 3. See? See, when the wheel hub is spinning, we get some reading. Let us see the graph. Now spin it again. See? Now the graph jumps up. So definitely we have now a speed sensor working again. While my boy is reinstalling the wheel, I have to clear all the 4 codes now. Clear 4 codes. So DTCs have been cleared. Alright, hop in the car again to check the final result. Yes, we do have the ABS light gone now. See? Alright. So there is no any malfunction light being displayed on the dashboard, and that is very good. Right, went out for a drive for some time. ABS light does not pop up. So this is the data bits of the left front wheel speed sensor. I think we do have information on the speed. Right now I'm at around 20 km, not 20, around 10 km/h. We do have 8, 7. So we basically got a good reading here whatsoever. Now I'm at 1920. Yes, the odometer reached 1920. We are at around 16. Yeah, we're around 13, 12, and that is what it is on the odometer, on the speedometer. Okay, that should be it. Does not pop up yet. That means that is a confirmed fix. Well, it's already night.